We are solving this problem called sort colors. This is a medium problem and is most frequently asked in interviews. This is kind of a tricky one, but there is one algorithm which we have to keep in mind before we go to the interviews to solve such kind of problems, which is called Dutch National Flag algorithm. So let's read the problem statement. Given an array nums with n objects colored red, white, or blue, sort them in place so that objects of the same color are adjacent with the color in the order of red, white, and blue. We use integers 0, 1, and 2 represent the colors red, white, and blue respectively. You must solve this problem without using the library sort function. So if we directly look at the example, which is 202110, we have to arrange it in ascending order. So we directly think of using the sort function given by Java, but that is clearly mentioned that we don't have to use that. So we can do it by having two for loops where we will check the place of 0, and we will place all of the zeros in the first position, in the first as many number of positions required by 0, and then followed by we'll have all the ones, and then we'll have all the twos, or we can have any sorting algorithm as well, but that will take either n square or n log n time, but we have to do it using log O of n time and without using any extra space. So for that we have the Dutch National Flag algorithm. So in that, what we are going to do is we are going to have, let's see, this is for red. Then we have for white. White won't be visible, so I'll do black instead of white. Then we have blue after that. So what are we going to do is we are going to have 3 pointers. Let's say low. I'm sorry. Let's say low here. Then we will have a pointer medium or middle, which we'll also have in the start. And then we'll have a pointer high. So let's mark these pointers. Yellow is for mid. Then we have low. Sorry. Then we have low. Then we have high. We can either we can name it as we want, but what the trick here is that we are going to shift our mid and low pointers and high pointers in such a way that all the positions to the left of low will be zeros and all the places to the right of high will be twos. So anything in between would be one. So we are going to do that using switch case. And there are 3 basic conditions, and we are going to check only the nums of mid value, and we are going to follow these 3 conditions. The conditions that we are going to write it here, so you can follow along whenever you want to. So the first condition while checking nums of mid is we are only going to check nums of mid, and while checking that we will check if nums of mid is 0. If it is 0, then we are going to swap the places of low and mid. Swap low and mid. Then increment both of these. Or else, if we have 1, then we are simply going to increment mid. Or if we have 2, we are going to swap mid and high. and we are going to decrement high because we are starting high from the last position. So these are the three things that we are going to follow all along while doing this. So we'll keep it aside and we'll try to understand why are we able to solve this using this algorithm. And this is basically the Dutch national flag algorithm. So now we will remove everything and we'll start coding. Yeah, everything is clear. So now we are starting the code. So we will need three variables, mid, high, and low, and we'll have one more temporary variable used for swapping. So let's start. We'll have low starting from 0th position, mid starting from 0th position as we saw in the diagram. Then we have high starting from nums.length minus 1th position, and then we have temp. We can initialize it with 0 or any other value, or even just initializing is fine. So now what we're going to do is we are going to run this condition until mid is less than equal to high, which means if mid value, if we increment mid such that it goes ahead of high, then we come out of the loop. And that is when we know that our O of n solution is completed. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch. We're going to check only nums of mid position as we discussed. And if it is 0, then we are going to swap. That is, we're going to have temp is equals to low nums of low. We all know how swapping is done now. Nums of low plus plus, because we have to increment low and mid accordingly. We will put nums of low into temp, and then we will put nums of mid into low, and then we'll increment low, and then we will put temp into nums of mid, and we will increment mid simultaneously. And after that, we are going to break through because we don't want to repeat, we don't want to check the further conditions. That is, if nums of mid is 0 or 1 or 2 further. So now we have case 1, wherein we just have to do mid plus plus and break. I guess we still have something here which we. So now we have to check for case 2. Here what we have to do is we will simply copy this. Sorry. We will simply copy this. Instead of low, we have high. Instead of low plus plus, we have high minus minus. Here we have mid, and here we have mid, and we have temp. So that is it. That is all we had to do. Let's try to run this and see if we have any errors. No, our thing is sorted. So this is basically a three-pointer approach. We can, which is popularly known as Dutch national flag algorithm. You can write it down and keep it somewhere if you want to. Let's remove this as well. Yes, the solution is accepted, and as it was the O of n solution, we have time complexity at 0 milliseconds, and it is faster than most of the Java solutions. So yes, we are done for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.